Hi, and welcome to SIM Local. We're going to show you how to activate your travel eSIM on your Samsung or other Android device. To get the most out of your plan, you should install it just before takeoff or as soon as you land. Just make sure you have a stable internet connection, and try not to close your screen during the installation. Ready? Let's get connected. Once you purchase an eSIM online, tap Install Plan, then tap Download Plan. You may also get a permission request to set up your eSIM. Tap Allow. Your screen will say Downloading your plan. This part can take a couple of minutes, but when it's done, it will say Plan successfully downloaded. Now that your plan is downloaded, your phone may automatically guide you through some changes to your settings, but we're going to show you how to make these changes manually. For Samsung devices, go to Settings, Connections, SIM Manager. You'll find your new eSIM plan here. First of all, make sure your new plan is turned on. Next, you may want to rename your eSIM. Select your new plan and tap Edit. We recommend naming it SIM Local, or after the country you're planning to visit. Next, you'll need to set your preferred SIM for calls, texts, and mobile data. Your choices will usually be your home plan or your new travel plan. If your new travel eSIM plan includes calls and texts, select your eSIM for both. If you want to receive calls on your existing number, select your home plan. Now, select your new eSIM for mobile data. Data switching should be off while you're traveling. Finally, you need to turn on data roaming. Go to Connections, Mobile Networks, and make sure data roaming is enabled. For other Android devices such as Google Pixel, tap Settings, Network and Internet, SIMs. You'll find your new eSIM plan here. Turn it on. Then set your SIM preferences for calls, texts, and mobile data. If your new travel plan includes calls and texts, select your new eSIM for each. Set mobile data to your eSIM. If you see an option for data switching, it should be off. You can rename your eSIM by tapping Edit. Finally, turn on data roaming for your new plan. And that's it. You've successfully installed your eSIM. Happy travels!